Hello guys, hello people, welcome back. How you guys doing? Come, let's cook this soup. You will see what I paired it with later. So here my meat stock. I added some palm oil. I added in the meat that I have, goat meat and some. So I added in the blended egusi and crayfish. I added water. I'll cover it. So my meat stock, everything is inside. I came to check it is cooked, ready to be paired. So come, let me show you what I paired it with. Water, I will like to boil. So I will add in just 1 cup. I remove some of the water and I will add in 1 cup of gari. So I'm making a baswalo. Thank you for always tuning in, all my old subscribers. God bless you all. Thank you for always coming, watching. Feel free to check my channel out for other videos you might find helpful. Follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube. Feel free to check my channel out. Give me a subscribe, like, share. So yeah, it is ready. I will serve it with this soup that you are seeing. So I have family lifestyles, cooking videos, health videos, cooking videos. Follow me on all platforms. Thank you guys. So here is ready. I will add to my bowl and I will serve my soup. Look at that, egusi soup without vegetables. Thank you all. Enjoy. Bye. See you in my next video.